So this is an old airfield office built circa 1930. On initial appearance, it all looks relatively sound, but on close inspection you'll see there's several fractures, specifically around the windows. I think this one that's been tapped by a telehandler, taking kit in and out of there, but you'll see on the windows and above the windows as well. Pretty much every single window has a fracture around it, and it's also noticeable on the inside as well. Gable ends look relatively sound. Trees at the back, some quite mature trees that are close by. So in the full planning application, we've got the outline, we've got prior planning approval for the build, but on the full planning application I've put in obviously to remove all those trees down the back here. So on the inside there's an existing concrete floor. We've taken a core, so I'll put the details in the drawings from the core that we removed. So the intention is then we have to effectively stick within the limits of the Class Q, where we can't demolish everything and rebuild it. So what we want to do is to put a new reinforced concrete floor, effectively a raft, whether that be 150, 225, single sheet of 393 mesh, or double or cage if it has to be, in here, and then take a new internal blockwork up around the extents to form a cavity wall, external cavity wall, and also on the interior. Then that will be taken up to the first floor, and that will take all of the loading of the first floor and the roof. These external walls, we're going to take down the steel trusses, take the roof off, and then tie these external walls back in to the new blockwork. So these walls don't take any loading, effectively, none whatsoever. And then we're looking to re-render the outside. So there may be a risk in future of cracks appearing on the outside, but all the new loadings will be taken from the inside through the internal blockwork walls and down onto the new slab. Like I've said, we've got to stay within this Class Q, where we don't do any significant structural work to it. Effectively, it can be simply converted from its existing state into a dwelling.